Good morning everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Sadiqul Saad, a computer science student studying in Malaysia, and welcome back to another realistic productive day in my life video. So, grab a coffee, sit back and let's get started. Today you are going to see a mix of interesting moments from my day. Let's start with my first class. I joined the session and focused on what the teacher was explaining.
Right, so if you have not filled the survey, let me show you. Go into your learner lab session in the cloud. So you can choose this service. Easy to
At the end of the class, there was a short quizzes. Now it was time for my second class and I got ready to go.
Support the clarity. And then long paragraph without headings can provide smooth experiences across different devices. So at the end of today's topic, you should be able to identify the key criteria used to evaluate the web pages. Okay, so this includes the audience, the relevance, currency, clarity, accessibility. We discussed about accessibility in detail last week. In the previous slides, okay, there are questions based on the evaluation criteria, the audience to the appropriateness and relevance. Okay, so here we ask whether the content is accurate, complete, well written and relevant to the user's questions or topic. Okay, so a web page may be visually attractive, but if the information is incomplete or unrelated, then it does not serve its purpose. Okay, I think
In this class, we work on short questions because it was part of the attendance process. After finishing my second class, I had a long break before the next one. Instead of staying around campus, I went to Google Lab. I used that time to relax a bit, focus my personal task and catch up with friends. It helped me reset my mind before the next class. Finally, I headed to my last class of the day, which was the lab session. submit? With the screenshot or like short explanation?
Screenshot and also like short explanation.
Last week I submitted the lab service. One thing we have to remember, like for mobile app engineering, we have to assign the group.
Yeah, we have to send the codes.
Yeah, assign the group to the Moodle.
Really?
Yeah. In this lab session, we completed our assigned task and submitted it before leaving. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and spending time with me. I believe you enjoyed this simple, productive day in my life as a computer science student. So I will see you in the next video.